Enjoy the ride in Perception's latest lifestyle-inspired recreational kayak, the Joyride. The Joyride series of sit-inside kayaks are designed to be easy to paddle, feature-rich, and flat-out fun. Perfect for enjoying flat or slow-moving waters, the exceptionally stable, straight tracking, and easy turning design gives new paddlers a boat that will grow with them as their skills progress and is equally fun for more experienced paddlers. It's also lightweight and compact, so it's easy to carry and easy to store. The spacious sit-in cockpit is easy to get in and out of, and the thick, ventilated, premium padded seat with contoured backrest offers industry-leading adjustability. The heart and soul of the Joyride is the conveniently clever entertainment center dashboard, a hub for staging your electronics and gear right within your reach for an enhanced on-water experience. The dashboard features the patent-pending selfie slot, a totally unique way to stage your smartphone and capture and share your best on-water moments. Also located on the dashboard is the Solo Mount accessory system. With the Perception Solo Mount base, enables easy installation of a wide variety of accessories and mounts to hold phones, tablets, speakers, cameras, fishing rods, fish finders, cup holders, and much more. Top it off with a 2-position water bottle holder and gear trays equipped with quick lash bungee for extra security while out on the water. Gearing up to spend all day on the water is a breeze with the spacious hinged-hatched dry storage compartment, allowing you to easily access your stowed items of nearly any shape or size. As with all Perception kayaks, the Joyride was proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA. Available in 2 sizes and a variety of colors, the Joyride is your all-access pass to fun.
Fishing kayaks have everything an angler needs for a relaxing day on the water. The hull design provides maximum stability and performance. The Dolphin Journey is ideal for lakes, rivers, and streams. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Journey will get you to your favorite fishing spot. Available in both 10 and 12-foot models, the Journey offers many features and benefits to enhance your fishing experience, including protective thigh pads for your total convenience. Paddle holder keeps paddles secured to kayak. Adjustable padded seat for your paddling comfort. Swivel rod holder conveniently located and locks fishing rod in place. 2 flush mount holders for when you want multiple fishing rods. Adjustable foot braces to accommodate all paddlers. storage compartment with shot cord deck rigging for all your extra fishing gear. Removable portable accessory carrier for extra storage. Spacious storage area with shot cord deck rigging gives ample room for your accessories. Easy access compartment for smaller belongings. Retractable carrying handles for ease of transportation. Large open cockpit allows the easiest of entry. Made from durable, dent-resistant, high-density polyethylene that will last for many years and comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. With all these exceptional features, the Journey Series kayaks offer great performance and versatility. The Journey Sit on Top fishing kayaks are durable, stable, and ideal for your next fishing adventure.